Welcome. Today we're going to talk about registering a new user, logging in with an existing user, and also what happens when you do log in, where you're redirected. So before I show you everything in action, I'm going to talk about the code first. So here we have a register user, which is going to register our user. And we're seeing it, if it is a new user, we want to take the input from the form on our HTML with the name of full name, name of email, and password. Also, with the password here is what we're also going to hash that password. And once we do that, we're going to save everything and we're going to return this user the view of the dashboard. And then for our login, what we're going to do is we're going to take the inputs that they in the input fields from our form, and then we're going to see if it matches. Basically, then we want to return them the view. If it doesn't, we want to say you're not authorized, please log in. And then if that happens, we just want to redirect them back to the index page. Okay, so let's show you in action. So this is our home page for now, and if you want to go to dashboard, the first thing that should happen is it should throw an error saying that you are not authorized, please log in. Okay, so we will go ahead and do this. We are going to create a new user actually, and we're going to go ahead and give Kenny a new account, and we're going to say this, sign him in, and it should take us to the dashboard. Okay, so this is Kenny, and this is his dashboard. Okay, so we're gonna go back to the home page, and what happened is it saved a cookie for us, so we're gonna be able to see that, and it's in here. So before we try to sign back in, we're gonna go ahead and delete this cookie. So and then we'll refresh the page, and then the exact same thing is gonna happen, and we'll try the dashboard, and it's gonna say authentication failed. And then we're gonna go ahead and log in with Kenny, basically the account that we made for him, and it should take us to the dashboard, and it does. And it also resaves the cookie for us. So now what happens is if we want to go to home, and then we want to go back to dashboard, instead of kicking us out, it's saving this in a session, so it keeps us logged in until you either log out or destroy the cookies. Okay, well, let's see here. What else? Okay, so we could talk a little bit about the routes and how those are set up. So our dashboard is in a protected route, which is using this. It's in the group of the middleware. So it's using the middleware known as web in Laravel. And with that, we're basically saying if you're not authorized, you can't use this. But if you are, then show the user this route. Okay, well, that's pretty much it. Cool, thank you.